Welcome to my channel. Right now you are in the right place. Here's my laptop bag. All these things are listed in the description box below in case you'd like to get something similar. I love this. It's padded and soft, and there's still space in case you need to put a folder or some papers. But for me, I'll show you. Most recently, I've been carrying my Remarkable, so I don't need papers, I don't need pens. Then it has extra pockets if you're like me and you need a place to place something, and another one in here, and it's still very lightweight and very nice, elegant. The wording here, Lacdo, is not too overbearing. All I need to do is put my 17-inch screen laptop, and then my laptop with its bag. That's it.